Back in 1989, we had a big, crazy idea. What if we could turn greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into products? Nature does it all the time, turning carbon dioxide into plants, entire forests, and huge structures like coral reefs. So we got to work, looking to plants for inspiration. Plants capture and sequester carbon dioxide, transforming it into long-chain sugar molecules. We ferment those sugars to make lactic acid, the building block of a whole range of advanced materials we call NGO. It took a lot of hard work and some real innovation to bring these new materials to market. But today, NGO is made into products like coffee capsules, diapers, cups, yogurt packaging, and electronics. And we're still innovating. Right now, we're working with bacteria to see if they can transform methane or carbon dioxide into NGO. Because we believe at the intersection of science, technology, and sustainability, we can change the world without changing it at all. NGO, naturally advanced.
Plastic revolutionized the world. From medical care to food safety, even space travel, plastic improved our way of life. Now plastic is causing a different revolution that is harming our way of life, and we must stop it before it's too late. By now you've heard about the scope of the problem. We find microplastics on the top of Mount Everest, in the deepest parts of our oceans, and even in the most remote parts of Antarctica. Microplastics are also found in the fish we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe, negatively impacting our health. Plastics and the chemicals they carry are linked to a rise in cancers and developmental issues in children, and so many other things we don't yet know. What we do know is that plastic production is projected to triple, so we can't wait. The time to act is now. People are trying to fix the problem, but it isn't working. Recycling isn't happening. Reusable items are hardly ever reused. And don't even get us started on those soggy paper straws. New bio-based materials are entering the market, but only break down in industrial compost facilities, which most communities don't even have. It's a mess, but there is hope. Meet PHA, the solution that provides the convenience and performance of plastic without the harm to our health or to the planet. We are RWDC Industries, the leading producers of PHA, a natural material that can be found all over the planet. We make it from plant-based oils, and PHA is biodegradable, doesn't create microplastics, and is completely safe for humans, animals, and the environment. Over the last 2 years, we partnered with the world's top consumer brands and manufacturers to make the things our families use daily, like coffee cups, diapers, and baby wipes, straws, cutlery, and more. We used our customers' existing equipment at commercial production speeds and met or exceeded every requirement. To do this, we built a fully functional pre-commercial production facility to make enough PHA material for these trials. And it wasn't easy, going from lab scale to pilot scale to our current manufacturing facility. Now that we have proven our PHA material works to replace plastics and that customers want it, it's time to take the next step, building our first commercial-scale PHA facility. It will allow our customers to bring millions of products to market and create a model that can be replicated around the world, enabling us to change a world that looks like this to one that looks like this. Come join us on the journey to create a new PHA revolution, one that builds upon the benefits of plastic, but protects our health and environment for the long term. A revolution that combines sustainability and innovation with a lasting and positive impact on the world. RWDC Industries, because our planet and our health deserve a better tomorrow.
Novamont, the Italian company world leader in the development and production of bioplastics, has created Meta Biotech, the first plant in the world dedicated to the production of biobutanediol through fermentation of sugars. Meta Biotech has made possible the conversion of a former decommissioned industrial site starting from a technology developed by Genomatica, a US company leader in bioengineering innovation, and Novamont's unique skills and know-how in developing low-impact manufacturing processes. The plant represents a fundamental development of the biorefinery model promoted by Novamont, based on the use of world-first patented technologies for the reconversion of deindustrialized sites. What is butanediol? Butanediol is a chemical intermediate. Normally it is obtained from fossil sources, but Matter Biotech's butanediol is produced from renewable raw resources, such as sugars derived from starches or from lineocellulosic biomass. The production process takes place in two phases, upstream and downstream. The upstream phase aims to obtain the first formulation of the BDO. The sugars are combined with water, mineral salts and microorganisms, and the result is defined as broth. The broth is then processed through fermentation, where microorganisms transform the sugars into BDO. Finally, the broth is pasteurized in order to inactivate the microorganisms. The result? The first formulation of BDO. The downstream phase aims to remove all the main impurities from the first formulation of BDO. At first, all the spent cells are recovered through filtration. These are then recovered and used to produce biogas, which will help to power the BDO production process. The mineral salts are disposed of through purification. Finally, by means of evaporation and distillation processes, water and impurities are removed, obtaining the 1,4-butanediol of Matter Biotech. What are the main uses of biobutanediol? For the production of other chemical intermediates, in the textile, automotive and electronics sector, for the production of consumer goods, and to produce biopolymers for biodegradable plastics. Biobutanediol has the same characteristics as fossil butanediol, but with a carbon footprint lower than 50%. Furthermore, Matter Biotech's 1,4-butanediol is a further renewable component of the fourth generation of Matter B, and contributes to the further reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Discover more at www.novamont.com/eng/matterbiotech.
Imagine a company that lives by its mission, principles, and values, offering products that enhance the lives of its employees and those that use them.
Imagine your product in a compostable package.
Imagine a company that puts its employees first.
Imagine a product made from renewable resources.
Imagine a company that's passionate about packaging.
Imagine packaging that's good for the planet.
Imagina una compañía comprometida con la calidad.
Imagine compostable packaging for thousands of product applications.
Fikiria juu ya kampuni ambayo inajali kuhusu maslahi ya jamii na mazingira kwa juu.
Imagina un empaque que es socialmente responsable.
Imagine flexible packaging with a purpose.
Imagine a greener future. Imagine Foodamora. Imagine Nature Flex.